नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 7 and text 8 of chapter 6, creation of the universal form of thought and the status quo, Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 7. स वै विश्वसृजां गर्भो देवकर्मात्म शक्तिमान विबभाजात मनात्मान मेकधा दशधा त्रिधा. The total energy of the Mahatattva in the form of the gigantic Virata Roop divided himself by himself into the consciousness of the living entities, the life of activity and self-identification, which are subdivided into 1, 10 and 3 respectively. Consciousness is the sign of the living entity or the soul. The existence of the soul is manifest in the form of consciousness called Jnana Shakti. The total consciousness is that of the gigantic Virata Roop, and the same consciousness is exhibited in individual persons. The activity of consciousness is performed through the air of life, which is of 10 divisions. The airs of life are called Prana, Apana, Udana, Vyana and Samana, and are also differently qualified as Naga, Kurma, Krukara, Devadatta and Dhananjaya. The consciousness of the soul becomes polluted by the material atmosphere, and thus various activities are exhibited in the false ego of bodily identification. These various activities are described in Bhagavad Gita 2.41 as Bahushakha hi Anantasha cha Buddhayo Avyavasayinam. The conditioned soul is bewildered into various activities for want of pure consciousness. In pure consciousness, the activity is one. The consciousness of the individual soul becomes one with the supreme consciousness when there is complete synthesis between the two. The Mohists believes that there is only one consciousness, whereas the Sattvatas or the devotees believe that although there is undoubtedly one consciousness, they are one because there is agreement. The individual consciousness is advised to dovetail with the supreme consciousness as instructed by the Lord in Bhagavad Gita 18.66. Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam vraja. The individual consciousness, Arjuna, is advised to dovetail with the supreme consciousness as thus maintain his conscious purity. It is foolish to try to stop the activities of consciousness, but they can be purified when they are dovetailed with the supreme. This consciousness is divided into 3 modes of self-identification according to the proportion of purity: Adhyatmika or self-identification with the body and mind, Adi Bhautika or self-identification with the material products, and Adi Daivika or self-identification as a servant of the Lord. Of the 3, Adi Daivika self-identification is the beginning of purity of consciousness in pursuance of the desire of the Lord. Text 8. Esha Hayashesha Sattvana Matmam Shah Paramatmanah Adyo Avtaro Yatrasau Bhutagramo Vibhavyate. The gigantic universal form of the Supreme Lord is the first incarnation and plenary portion of the Super Soul. He is the self of an unlimited number of living entities and inhabits the aggregate creation which thus flourishes. The Supreme Lord expands himself in 2 ways, by personal plenary expansions and separated minute expansions. The personal plenary expansions are Vishnu Tattvas and the separated expansions are living entities. Since the living entities are very small, they are sometimes described as the marginal energy of the Lord. But the mystic yogis consider the living entities and the Super Soul Paramatma to be one and the same. It is, however, a minor point of controversy. After all, everything created rests on the gigantic Virat or universal form of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.